Hello students, welcome to Social Studies class. Today we are going to study the subject Geography in Social Studies and the lesson Globe and Maps. Let's start with the introduction of this lesson. In this lesson we are going to study the meaning and uses of the globe and the types and uses of maps and the important geographical symbols required for the preparation of maps and map reading. So these are the topics today we are going to study. So let's start the lesson. Geography. Geography means it is the study of places and the relationship between people and their environments. Geography seeks to understand where things are found, why they are there, and how they are developed and change over time. So, geography means it is in Greek word. Geo means earth and graphy means to write. What is the meaning of the globe? That is the first topic today we are going to study. So in the last chapter you have studied about the shape and size of the earth. Isn't it? The earth is in geode in shape and is represented by a globe. The photographs taken on the earth from the satellites give a real shape of the earth. But we can see only one side of the earth. Isn't it? Yes. The globe, which is the model of the earth, can give us the view of the other side also. Since we rotate the globe. If we rotate the globe means other side also we can see. No? Yes. It is very useful to identify the places. Next, what is the feature of the globe? Let us study. The globe is a miniature model of the earth. Globe is a miniature model of the earth. It is true representation of the earth's spherical shape and not flat as seen on the map. It is in a earth is a spherical shape. What we are seeing in the book as a map, it is not like that. Okay, it is like a spherical in shape. Besides, it gives us the information about many features of the earth. It is a simple teaching learning aid. It can be kept on the table and rotated. No, children? Yes. It helps us to learn about the different geographical concepts. Okay. And let us study the uses of maps. Globe. The globe is useful to know the shape of the earth. It helps us to understand the position, shape, and size of the continents and also the oceans and seas. And it is also useful to know the lines of the latitudes and longitudes on the globe help us to locate places and political boundaries. A good globe helps us to understand the inclination of the axis, movements of the earth, rotation, revolution, and their effects. Example, day and night. Example is day and night and seasons. It gives general information about the geographical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, islands, rivers, etc. Next, students, let's study about the maps. A globe gives us only very general information about the earth, isn't it? The globe gives us only very general information about the earth. Maps are very essential to get detailed information of a place like state or a country, and also about the geographical features. And a diagrammatic representation of the whole earth are a part of it. On a flat surface according to a scale, it is called a map. Flat surface according to a scale, it is called a map. And the science and art of map making is known as a cartography. What is it? Cartography. Map making. Okay, art of map making is known as a cartography. The collection of various types of maps bound as a book. It is known as atlas. Yes, we are using no atlas. What are the types of maps? Yes, on the basis of the scale and purpose, maps can be classified as follows. That is, first one is maps based on a scale, maps based on a purpose. There are two types of map based on scale. What is that means? Large scale maps and small scale maps. In large scale maps, these maps represent small areas. They can be divided into cadastral maps and topographical maps. Cadastral map shows individual property. Topographical maps show detailed surface of the features. And second of maps based on scale, two types are I told no, that is the second point is small scale maps. They represent large areas, world, continents or countries. They are used, two types, wall maps and atlas maps.